Thought I'd make a quick little video. If you're working on a 6.4 hemi and you have a misfire only under load, because at idle this thing would not misfire. You could hook up the scanner, look at live data, would not misfire. Once you put a load on it over 3,000 RPM, misfire. We thought it was injector, it was not injector. Ended up pulling the valve cover, and you could move the push rod because the lifter had gone bad and ate through the cam. So trust me, pull the grill, pull the engine out, do the work out here, get the cam, change the lifters. Really not too bad. Have any questions, let me know.